I like to get to know you so I can show ya. Blah, 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 blah. Do you want to bang, but there's some water? I don't know the rest of the lyrics, bam, bam. Damn, I got a clear vision. Witness and listen my musical vision. I'm abusing my mission non-stop, got no limits. I've seen too many given. I'll say, give me a minute. I'm done with humble living. Fuck that, I'll make the millions before my abuela dies. Dad's eyes get to fix it. Paralyzed, clock is ticking, fam, crying, money slipping. I heard love's the elixir. And if money's the root of evil, then I'm down to get a little sicker. Been through the hiccups, fuck ups, never sick ups. Hood raised good, raised by mommy to never kiss up. Lick up them raps that y'all spit up. Puddles, the masses slip on. Drops a waste like you did and leave the lid up. A slouching game needs to sit up. I'm exercising legendary status till I live up. Or till y'all give up. Giving my all. I've been watching from the bottom. My night dreams to top. I might stop until I'm coughing. And that's just the beginning for what we'll do. I don't play when I say that I'm destined to make it. Too dense and naked to fake it. Absorbing whatever light that I can't grab that I hate it. I'm aiming for never dated. Olympic flame level famous. Go and get your golden bronze stars beyond ratings. I am goddamn selling daily to grams at a necessity. Money's giving trouble to grads. Selling copies and in the secrets. Feeling the man suited up. Officer so he can take a peek in my bag and smell the weed on my hands. Seeming more like my dad. I'm a hustle in safe mode. College selling's a drag. Switching it up to full music. I'm choosing this last. Means I got nothing to lose and I'm a goon when I rap. Turn on the tunes when I snap. Nigga, this is just facts. I get clapped, just goes to show where our future is at. If you're hearing this is too late. Couple niggas been laughed, leaving gaps for me to fill in. I'm finna feel that. And that's just the beginning for what we'll do. I don't play when I say the game gets to you. That's just the beginning of what we'll do. And it's just the And that's just the beginning of what we'll do. I don't play when I say the game gets to you. And that's just the beginning of what we'll do. And that's just the beginning.
He's so asleep. I took a picture of him. He's passed out and loud ass out. How the fuck you do
Dude,
that?
you came in so hot with the rock.
I got a big ass rock!
Did he coming in with a fucking rock?
I got a big ass rock and I got these Nike socks like my name was Papa Doc and I'm not getting no fucking job. You motherfuckers can suck on my block. I ain't never gave a shit and I shit like 10 o'clock like the time. Put it on the clock. No, I always rhyme because I'm like the dog. Got it out there. You make this fucking shot like you want Spider-Man fighting him that
tricks in deviant despair. Pinch me, I must be dreaming. Never mind, punch me, 'cause I'm screaming. Mushy gushy, brush off the marshmallows. Jump into a briar patch and kiss me by that escalator. Harder than the rock, pass through a cheese grater. If I am the moon, then you have left me with too many craters. See you later. Got a sack full of butterflies. If I suck the helium out the buzz, rise through the beehive, bathe myself in honey till the sky falls, and I crawl to heaven where I last left you. I beg you not to sugarcoat my leather jacket. I practice the James Dean festival, I'll Johnny Cash it. I packed it again, my friend. Not together at the end of the tunnel, but you lit it up. I'll try it when you leave this summer. What a bummer, I'm little boy blue and you are the drummer. Plumbers hop through kingdoms for the princess. Don't see the castle, but I walk across the frozen pond and break the ice to earn all that free sex. Mushy gushy, brush off the marshmallows. Jump into a briar patch and kiss me by that escalator. Harder than the rock, pass through a cheese grater. If I am the moon, then you have left me with too many craters. See you later. Got a sack full of butterflies. If I suck the helium out the vines, rise through the beehive, bathe myself in honey till the sky falls, and I crawl to heaven where I last left you. I don't need Molly or ecstasy. This love is already a chemical, but does it help? Certainly. It's always easier to fake it. You're the actress on a roll and I'm the come down, living in the basement. Hey, happy, I'll never write back. See, you're the lovely messages, but I'm the miscommunication. We are Corinne without the AIDS. We are the cigarettes on the balcony, overflowing them golden ashtrays. We are the sunsets that start the day. We are the sunrises to the cars on the highway 305. Miami Crusade, but now I am New York and you are LA. I have a pen and paper and a handful of songs, but how many sweet lullabies will undo my wrongs? I took a left turn when she needed it done right. I could have made her day, but I'm only awake at night. Insecurity breeds false ingenuity, reads no continuity, feeds my frame of mind. Vanity could never be selfless, like beauty could never touch the ground. Ears to the sound of the broken drum. Gushy gushy, brush off the marshmallows. Jump into a briar patch and kiss me by that escalator. Harder than the rock, pass through a cheese grater. If I am the moon, then you have left me with too many craters. See you later. Got a sack full of butterflies. If I suck the helium out the vines, rise through the beehive, bathe myself in honey till the sky falls, and I crawl to heaven where I last left you. Heart beating a mile a minute, hoping it's all in my head, but I'm in it. Breathe into my ear, your name's the sweetest sound to hear. Nevertheless, without the fear, there is no fun to risk. To fog the clear, and if we never speak again, at least at one point we were friends. Now which way to the top? Which lane should I switch? Which shit is zipped up? I'm pissed off, my shit's slug like Hitchcock. Alphabetical president, think of the better still back again. I don't mean to come off crazy, but y'all don't watch. Less I kill it, less you feel it. Yes, compulsive, but you're obsessed. Make it a broke my chest. Breathless, maybe test this to the next big thing coming extra hectic. Resurrected, never wrecked this thing. Mind your daughters invested in. Rest in pieces, villainous for no good reason. The choices I make me a bad person. From even way back in the day when I wasn't certain that maybe it's growing pains that have not resurfaced. Oh, 'cause baby, the choices I make me a bad person. She had green eyes and blonde hair.
Good work, Gary.
I think you should come back with Gregory Porter.
Yeah, baby.
Cause that one's chill.
You wear a black leather belt that holds the waist I used to hold. Your colors fade, but not the color of your jeans. You wear a hat with pretty swirls, the envy of the other girls. You change your shades before our day turns to eve. Think I better let it go. Think I better let it go. 'Cause I'm thinking I'm last year's runway passion, no longer in fashion. And I find myself obsessed with how you dress and whom you see when you're without me. Whenever caught in picture frames, the paparazzi know our names. They know like fashion, our love is not for real. The weather's fine, but in your mind you need that flair, and so you wear big blue fur and feathered hair to fit your skin. Think I'd better let it go. Think I'd better let it go. 'Cause I'm thinking I'm last year's runway passion, no longer in fashion. And I find myself obsessed with how you dress and whom you see when you're without me. And I find myself obsessed with how you dress and whom you see when you're without me. I better let it go. 'Cause I'm thinking I'm last year's runway passion, no longer in fashion. And I find myself obsessed with how you dress and whom you see when you're without me. And I find myself obsessed with how you dress and whom you see when you're without me. And I find myself obsessed with how you dress and whom you see when you're without me.
Guys, it's an uplifting song.
Stop it, step over it.
Yeah, that's not uplifting.
Psychedelic rap, bro. If we were coming up with this shit in 1970, we would have definitely gotten famous.
Juice powder.
It's the future. We're the moochers from the future. It'll suit you if we're from the future, so we will mooch you.
crashing in like an asteroid. As the older boys see me as an asterisk, a side quote. Wait, shit, bout to hit, sit in my room and pick my nose. I wanna be immortal. I guess I am inside of this recording. Over. Digging till I die. Before I go, after I'm gone, I'll stay behind a bit to try and flesh this thing out like zesty, isn't it? Arisen about with the medicine riddling, to scribbling lines between the thoughts after I finish them. Pretty babe, pretty innocent. Less sinister here with your minister, isn't it? Yeah. I'm a house cat, rabbit, bunny attitude on fleek. Down at the lobby, I was never in the streets running. Now I'm old, 20-something, what's this? How come I still look so youngin' but I feel nothing? Feels like I've been here for a minute, roughly. Stay puffin', honey. I'm a house cat, rabbit, bunny attitude on fleek. Screaming out my neck, hoping to be heard, at least lately. My favorite feel is melancholy, hate me. I always had it done, but undid it wrong like a doo-doo duck. Erase me, remake it, I face it, this a lost cause, date me. You know you really wanna fuck, though. Suck me off in the dark, in the public park. Just say you love me, oh. Bleeding out my eyes, I don't know what you did, but fuck it, this is a surprise, lovely. I wanna bite between your thighs, make them veins pulsate and lick your lips, bitch. I'm a house cat, rabbit, bunny attitude on fleek. Down at the lobby, I was never in the streets running. Now I'm old, 20-something, what's this? It's my birthday song, Sugar Muffin. Mericosm, fathom, sustenance. Can't listen to that, nothing fast. Music no more. Roll down the window. Stop rushing and stay puffin'. Honey, ain't got it. Money. New album coming out soon, ladies and gentlemen. Money. It's all about money. This shit was money.
We want to bite between your thighs and make your veins pulsate, bitch. And lick your lips.